With these satin scrunchies, a plain ponytail can become a very elegant hairstyle, but today we are going to test whether these slippery scrunchies are suitable for more extreme sport activities, such as running half marathon. And if you want to see the results, keep watching, and if you like it, subscribe to our channel. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Laura from Knitello, and I'm trying to bring you closer to what we are making, as we are a handmade accessories brand. Among other things, we produce these scrunchies, and because we want to reduce hair damage, they are made of satin. But that is a really slippery material, and in our Etsy shop, as you can see here, we wrote they are suitable for sport activities. But are they really? Or did we lie? So, the closure, if the test fails, we are going to delete the statement from our Etsy shop. Don't tell anyone that we lied. And if it passes the test, well, we wrote that it's good for sport activities. Here's the clip of a hairstyle before running. I wrapped my hair 3 times and used 4 bobby pins. Remember it because we will compare this footage and footage at the end of my running. And now follows a short video of how it was at the half marathon. And by the way, this is on my 3rd half marathon, so this is also a survival test for me.
Ide lolo, jel ide? Ide, odlično, samo gas. Ajmo lolo, treća si.
Okay, the first little test was passed. I survived. And now to the important thing. So on the big screen is the hairstyle after, and this is very surprising, as if the hairstyle hasn't even moved. What do you think? Maybe it's because I tied it 3 times, so it's very tight. I don't know. Did you expect this? I certainly didn't. So appearance, it looks the same, and all the 4 bobby pins are here. We didn't lose them in the race. And I think we can conclude the Scrunchie passed the test and won the half marathon. And by the way, I don't know how, also completely unexpectedly, I finished 3rd and picked up some really awesome prizes. And we've come to an end of this video. Thank you all for watching. It was a little bit different than the other videos that we usually make, and I hope you like it. And if you like the running hairstyle, here is the video of how you can make it. And this little scrunchie passed the test surprisingly well, so we need to make another challenge for it. What do you think? Write in the comments. And that was it. See you next time. Bye!